Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about octal arithmetic. We are going to see about octal addition and octal subtraction. So first, you are going to see about octal addition. In exams, they will give you questions like this. Okay, so you will get add 2764 base 8 and 6435 base 8. So both are octal numbers because you can see the base is 8. Okay, so you have to first what you have to do is you have to write the numbers according to the positional value. So you can see 2764 and then below that you will have to add 6435. So according to the position, so you can see ones the last digit number and then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, right? So according to the positional values you have to write. Second thing is you should know the cases. In binary arithmetic, we were discussing different cases. In one case, you had seen 1 plus 1 is 10 because a binary number does not have 2. Okay, so the next higher value is 10. So 1 plus 1 becomes 10. Same way, in octal addition, you will have some cases like that. Say, for example, if you add, you got numbers from 0 to 7 in octal. So if you add 7 plus 1, there is no 8, so it becomes 10. So 2-digit number, right? So it goes on like that. So once you know that case, then it will be easy for you to solve this. Say you can see the start with this rightmost digit. Okay, so you got 4 and 5. Add this to, okay, which will become 11. So you might be thinking it is only 9. Now it become 11. So do the basics. Go to the basics. In childhood, you would have done this. 4 in the mind and 5 in the finger, right? After 4, what you are going to get? 5, 6, 7. After 7, you are going to get 10 and 11 because there is no 8, so it will go on to the 2-digit number, so it becomes 10 and 11. So you will get 11 here. So 1 will be the sum and 1 will be the carry. So write 1 down and carry over the 1 to the next digit. Next is you got three numbers. That is 1 plus 6 plus 3. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Then 7 plus 3 is 12. Reason is after 7 you got 10, 11 and 12. Right? So you got 2 as sum and then 1 as carry. So you have to write 2 down and then carry over 1 to the next digit. So again you have 3 numbers. 1 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay, so you got 4 down, that is sum, and carry 1 to the next digit. Next is you got again another 3 numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 6 is 11. So after 3 you got 4, 5, 6, 7, then 10, then 11. So right, so you got 11. So your sum is 1 and then carry is 1. You don't have any other digit beyond that, so you are going to put that 1 down. So 11421 is the octal value for the addition. So next you are going to see octal subtraction. Okay, example 745 base 8 minus 567. Alright, so we already seen binary subtraction, and also we already seen about 1's complement and 2's complement. You are going to use that 2's complement here in the example. Here you are going to use, since it is octal number, you are going to use 7's complement and 8's complement. So we are going to see how it is, okay, to work out with the subtraction. Normally what you do is when you convert the negative value into 2's complement, you can directly add up the numbers. Okay, so same thing you are going to do here. First, determine 8's complement of 567. The reason for it is a negative number, right? Minus 567 to be represented with 8's complement. So how to use 8's complement is write off 7 because you got 3-digit number, write 3 7s. So you already seen in 1's and 2's complement you have done this. Okay, subtract the value, right? In 1's complement you would have seen that one will the number will be subtracted by 1, so you will get the 1's complement. Same way here you are going to subtract by 7 so that you will get 7's complement, right? So you have to write 7's on top, and below that you are going to write 3 5 6 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 6 is 1, 7 minus 5 is 2. So 210 is the 7's complement, okay, representation. Now you are going to convert it into 8's complement by adding 1 to that. So you will have to add 1. So it becomes 211 that is the 8's complement representation of the negative number minus 567, right? Now you are going to add the value 745 with 211. You are not going to subtract, you are going to add it. Okay, so you are going to add the number. So 745 has to be written, and then below that you have to write 211 according to the positional values. Now add of these numbers. You can see that 5 plus 1 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5, then 7 plus 2 is 11. Reason is after 7 you got 10 and then 11. Okay, so you can write 1156. Now you are using only 3 digit, right? 3-bit numbers. You got an extra carry bit. Okay, that carry bit can be dropped. So you can cancel this and drop this value. So you can cut this value and then drop it. The remaining value, 3-digit number, is the answer for the octal subtraction. So 156 base 8 is the answer. Okay. So hope you understood both the addition, octal addition and octal subtraction. You can try out more questions like this, so that it will be easy for you to solve it when they are asked in the exams. Okay. We meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.